Overall, we achieved good results last year. We delivered on our targets. I'm particularly pleased about the good momentum we see with our newer medicines, such as Vabysmo, a new medicine which we launched in ophthalmology, one of our most successful launches ever in the history of Roche. So we delivered on the numbers, we delivered on our targets, and again, good momentum with the new medicines.
Obviously, what's getting headlines a lot this morning is the rate of decline we've seen for COVID-19 related product. I wonder if you could just talk to that and whether actually the pace of sales decline was faster than you expected and what that means for next year.
It was actually in line with our expectations for last year. We saw a decline of 1 billion Swiss francs in terms of our COVID-related sales. But we expect that to accelerate for the current year. Actually, we expect a sharp decline of our COVID-19 related sales now that the pandemic finally comes to an end. We expect a decline of 5 billion Swiss francs. So that is very considerable.
Although it always feels as though we are only one variant away from being pitched back into some form of COVID-related lockdown. From your perspective, do you think we are done now with this disease, or should we be concerned about the Chinese reopening? Should we be concerned about the continued threat from a resurgence of this?
Well, I have to be a bit careful what I say, because in the past I already predicted that the pandemic could come to an end, and actually I was wrong, right? So we suddenly, as you point out, saw a new wave, a new variant, and of course that always remains possible. But talking with our scientists, also talking with other companies in the space, the consensus is that we are most likely now to move from a pandemic into an endemic, and that as a consequence, the demand for COVID-related products will sharply decline.